Yeah, good afternoon, midday now. I have to change the feeding time because ranger the upon the place and the place I dry up to. So yeah now my son and them go to expect them back by 5 o'clock. I journey the couple on the journey with them and come back. So we can see where we are talk about and how the place stay, you see. So family, follow on as we on the journey again. Another day to success. Now we now hitch back. So here comes Mrs. Sheep is the first one on the road. Alright, so the black one there, put him in because the white one not going with nothing. So let's see where the black one is. I'm more sharper boy for him born. I work out the little kid because his mother take him from his mother, but he don't know where I'm going with neither. So I put him back in a flock to go and build up because the boy them beat him up when they against. So family, journey on. This a little goat I give me a triplet, you know. Yeah man. And see the warrior them a fight over mango. Yo, right when you come back you know, can eat mango, right now I go up on the field. Yeah. So I will say we don't complain about nothing no car. One more day in a corona and we still a go through. So what we are complaining about fire. So I may say to my fans them and all of my crew, it's a one love, it's a brother, it's a love, you know. Peace. And we are give up, we are bless up all of the man them. See brethren, me just talk to this day. Yeah. I get a name still about me say. The one I also for encourage you to keep a thing together. Don't make no one push you over the bridge. Yeah, I'm gonna a story about my life, you see me? Meantime we are journeying on a feeding ground. The place I dry up you know. As the Bible says now, what is man, you know? They're gonna be like a leaf. This minute them are green and pretty and next minute they just dry up and dead away. So you have to know. Now I have nobody to make where we are go. Now I can't nobody because that no pay. Yeah, so one little soldier we are try to bring upon the place now, yeah, make nice. But you want to go upon the bush. You understand? Sun hot for midday, so you know say sun they up in the middle of the sky. And soldier them ready to come, we not turn them back. Because training in the point still. Yeah. Up. Yeah man, so what them a run for go and go like crazy. I'm gonna come back with up and move the cow because I get water yet for morning. Because I have to take care of the youth them today. You know, so I have to take care of them every day, but today I kind of give them a bigger take care because sort them out. Mom in the day, so I have to do that with them and try to take care of them in the morning. Set them off that the day can go on around. Meantime, yeah, meantime I go and make them go to get a feed. You know, so now I set them back till 5 o'clock. But may I show you, what day they get the picture of the clean and pretty with pure green grass, ain't it? But look what happened now, dry up. You see? So we are waiting for the rain you know to come forward. But I'm goat here now, let me tell you about goat you know. Them still dry, yes. But it don't affect them because they love it. But then journey to this to place where they can find green pasture. So them take it to the low and depth in the place. Miles of place them walk, them goat here. So goat stay car. Now them alone, everywhere dry. Everywhere. But them a take it to a level where them can find. See, guango tree to guango tree. And so them a take it till them belly full, come back a yard. And then them find green grass and eat. So when they eat the guango here, right now, yeah, when they eat the guango and then drink water, them keep rounds, you know. Here what happen now, guango sweet, and then take a lot of water. Right through night, them drink water. And the next thing about it, when guango time, I don't buy feeding, bag feeding, if you say. Because guango, them suck water. You see, after the guango time now, Yeah, I can buy feed now, make them go and eat. But right now, you show me I say, that one a long, I don't want to keep no long video still now. So forgive me still, my subscribers. I'm a friend, I'm a family. You follow me everything you do. As a bell, if you click the icon bell now, you know, say it like a pump up. So when you subscribe, remember, click the notice bell. So you see everything we are going on T&B Farm. On the west side. Yeah? Who I love, we have to laugh, you know. Because why we give thanks? Because we happy because we are alive. We are alive. And many people are struggling with bad back. And they get sick out and dead. At the time, you know, we're there. I mean, I say Jamaica, we have the heat. So here we need the cleanness. So with the heat and the cleanliness and the cleanness by washing your hand and a touch up your face, be a soldier this time. And here with my family, may I say to you, know, even church people we are talk to too. Because we are children of faith, yes. But remember, say, the Bible says, most wise as a serpent and harmless as a dove. You understand? So here what happen now? You can't use because you feel say you have straight that faith. You are trying to prove a thing. Yeah, you can prove God, yes. But in this time where you know say you can talk. We have technology where you can still praise and link with each other. You understand? So here we know we are say to them people we are gather and especially in the area them where them know say Corona there. I see him gathering bring the first big thing in Jamaica. Because funeral gathering make hope of people down. See? So we have say love. Because the Bible says great out of all, you know, out of all. The greatest commandment out of all is love. So if you love me, you see, if you love me, and if you love your sister and your brother, you're not going to hurt them. So here we I say, no try, you don't know who or who, and right now, here's the take Jamaica one way where people did have it and now pass it because them say somebody give them, so now give it back to somebody. So me I say, Corona there, please, stay home now if you have to stay home. Yo, make it get in short now. Nobody know big bungo thing. Praise God from your heart. Because the Bible tells us, say, time will come where you're not going to get to praise Him. Neither from Jerusalem, neither in your mosque, nor at the synagogue. You see me? Time will come where you have to praise God from within yourself. So, what you do? May I ask them question here? Because what you prove? May I ask them question they said we. I know weak, you know. I know weak, you're weak if you stay aside, you know. Stay aside and humble yourself and find God within you and praise Him and give Him thanks in your life and then your friend. Because when your life protect, your friend life protect too. So me I say, just like how them go to, so them go together and then them end up drift apart. And then you see it, green apart so we start reach. And them drift apart till them come when them are coming back, everybody know them 5 o'clock to come in. So, here my friend, we know we 5 o'clock. Hold on panic. And don't do the thing where or cause you a hurt to your brother by prove a thing like say boy. God I just see you are a faith we not have. But it just shall